guys, and welcome once again to the CODEMANTLED. With me, is 3 devs. Nataka kushindana hapa kutengeneza certain types of software. You want to see the brains of the brains.
Hey guys, my name is Justina and we are all here courtesy of Nick, and I'm excited to be part of this hackathon.
Yeah, so hello guys, I'm Nick. I'm a software engineer.
My name is Michael. I'm a software engineer. I'm excited to see what we can do today.
Just looking forward to learn, hopefully 1 or 2, 3 things, and yeah, let's have fun.
Yeah, so thank you guys for coming to this challenge. We are at Utamaduni, and basically, so the challenge is we're going to be using OpenAI API to build solutions for the content. So I'm excited. We're going to have 15 minutes to brainstorm. For me, I'm going to be building an art to story app where you are going to upload a picture and then it will tell a short story about it.
I'm thinking of a waitress chatbot assistant, and basically the front end will be React. I'm yet to figure out the back end.
The idea I had was to basically build a client assistant app, booking tables in a restaurant.
So now that everyone has an idea what he'll build, we're going to, the 3 hours will start now.
Oh, it's chopping onions. Let's have a see.
It can help people sell their arts, to create stories. Maybe someone wants to buy an art, there's the stories behind it. You can just upload the picture, scan.
Take us in simple words, what are you building?
So I'm trying to build an AI agent. So it's basically an AI agent that can help you book, check availability.
It's just a waitress assistant, yeah? That from your phone you can like order food, you can request anything that you need. You don't have to like manually call a waitress. See, even that this place is so open, before a waitress spots you, well,